Hey everybody, Sourdough Fool here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to go over my base bread recipe. So I use a dash of salt, 3.5 cups of flour, cup and a third of water, half a cup of starter. And I use this for each of my breads that I'm making. So like here today, I'm going to be making a double loaf. You can see that my starter was good and jiggly. So I measure out my starter, typically into a measuring cup. So yeah, then once I get it right, I will get it put into the bottom of the bowl. I like to put it in the bottom of the bowl for a couple reasons. First thing I add in. So yeah, then I'll take my water and I'll use the same exact measuring cup so I can scrape the starter out of the measuring cup so I get most of my starter into the bread. So that's where it needs to be. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish adding up the rest of my water. I'm going to mix this up with a sourdough mixing tool that I got from a kit online until it looks almost like milk. I want the starter completely dissolved into that water. Really helps. So then I'm going to add my flour. I usually add about half of it first. I like to do leveled scoops. So I take just a butter knife and I level off my scoop each time. So I put 5 in here because I'm making a double loaf today. So yeah, once I get this all mixed up, well, not all mixed up, but get it fairly mixed up, I like to add my other two or my other half of the recipe, whatever I'm doing. So then I'll continue to mix it until it's well incorporated. Then I'm going to go ahead, when I get done with this, I'm going to start kneading it a little bit. I don't knead it too much because I don't like to work it too much. Just kind of one of those things. So I put a little flour in my hand, knead it just a little bit, and then I'll just go ahead and let it sit. I'll let it sit on the counter now for about a half hour, and then I'll move into my next thing. So yeah, again, here's the recipe, everybody. If you like this stuff, follow me on these other things: Facebook, X, TikTok, YouTube. Under YouTube, I'm Fun Junkman. So everybody have a great day.